Okay, here the problem asks us to find the inverse of the function 2 to the negative x minus 5. By the way, inverse, in finding for the inverse, we simply what? We simply swap the value of the x on the y, assuming here that f of x is the y, and then solve for the y. In this case, it will be like x is equal to 2 to the negative y minus 5, okay? And then we try just to find the value of y. Now, the first thing that we can do here is we could add both sides by 5 and you get an x plus 5 equal to 2 to the negative y. Okay, and then to solve for the value of y, there's actually many ways to do this, but the best thing to make this come down is actually to take the logarithms of both sides. And when we say log, we can actually take any base. The most common one is to take the log of in base 10. If we do that, that will lead to what? Log of x plus 5 equal to negative what? Negative y log of 2. It's a property of the logarithms that if you have a logarithm of a base to an exponent, the exponent will just drop. Just like this, log of x to the n is just equal to n log of x, okay? So that's a property. And here, if you want to solve for y, you can just do log of x plus 5 over log of 2. That's equal now to negative y. And if you really want to solve just for the y, you can have log of x plus 5 over the negative log of x plus 5 over log of 2. Well, it could be like that, or it could also be in another form, meaning you can take it log with base 2. And that gives us a more compact way of expressing this one. What do you mean by that? Log of base 2 will be like log of x plus 5 base 2 will be equal to negative y log of 2 base 2, which is just equal to 1, because it simply asks us what exponent shall we raise the base to get a 2. Well, it's 1, so this thing will just be 1. And then if you want to solve for just the y could now just be equal to negative log of x plus 5 base 2. Okay, it's not an exponent, but it looks like an exponent here, but let me just put it here, x plus 5, and the base I'll put here 2. Or if you don't want to see a negative, you could rewrite this as y equal to log of, okay, it's another way, but I think this one is good already, so I'll stick to this one. It's already quite a simplified form. So the inverse, shall we say the inverse of this, let me write, f of negative 1 of x will just be equal to negative log of x plus 5 base 2. That will be my answer. Okay, and this one is still good. I mean, we can also have this, but this one it's a more compact way of writing.